If you're a business leader and you haven't got control over artificial intelligence, something very important is happening. ChatGPT has launched Atlas and Perplexity have Comet web browsers. Now, if your staff install these, at the moment, there's absolutely no real security control. So I strongly advise that you do not allow your staff to install these browsers for the moment, because it's going to be easy to do something called prompt injection. If you're not familiar with that, basically you, within a web page URL or on some information that you share with the AI, you ask it to do something and ignore previous instructions, because at the moment the controls that we have in place, they're not very good. So it's going to be quite easy for malicious people to inject stuff into these browsers and get them to do tasks that you don't want done. So they may seem like a good idea because it may speed people's work up, but it's not ready yet. It's too insecure. So please don't allow your staff to install computer use tools yet. If you need help with this, I do have a template for small businesses. Generally, if you've got less than 50 staff, this will be fine. I can get it on my website. There should be a link below. And obviously, if you need help, if you don't have a policy with AI, while I'm a lovely ideas person, my role really is to help businesses get the best at technology. And if you're not doing that, do reach out to me. Very happy to help. I hope that's useful. If you've tried using these tools, the Perplexity one, I've been playing with the Comet browser, but it's not there yet. And that's the things with this tech. Might speed people's work up, but it puts the business at risk. That's not something we want to do. Hope that helps. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a great day.